In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $195,110 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. Okay, this is all from free traffic. Okay, I will show you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, and as you can see over here in my balance, I have $9,210 in commission available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month, and of course I will still get more commission in next few days. So anyways, for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with affiliate marketing, just go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next, just click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. As you can see, what you need to do next, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Okay, and do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Okay, and choose your country, choose your language over here, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to choose a good service that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. You cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so what you will do, you will go to your YouTube homepage like this. Just open your YouTube homepage. So first, why I choose YouTube? So did you know that YouTube has 13 billion monthly visitors? As you can see over here, YouTube, you can get so much traffic. Millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, topics, products on YouTube using YouTube. Okay, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. And I'm following people who are making $1,000 every single month just promoting affiliate links on YouTube. Okay, it's really super easy without investing any money in paid ads. Free traffic, so much traffic from YouTube. Okay, anyways, go to your YouTube homepage, click on the search, ask question. Let's ask, for example, how, just ask any question, how to say, how to create, for example, logo for, and here you go. So for example, how to create logo, and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. People are searching for how to create logo for a YouTube channel, how to create logo for business, how to create logo for clothing brand, how to create logo for Instagram page. I will take, for example, this topic, how to create logo for business. What I will do, I will go back to Fiverr, to my Fiverr homepage. I will click on the search. I will search for logo design. Okay, search for logo design, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so for example, like this one, as you can see, this one is really looking good. Okay, this seller is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews, almost 5-star. I will create minimalist logo design for your business. I will click on his service. Okay, so this seller can create a logo design and you can see the number of orders in queue. A lot, so much people are buying this service. A lot of people are interested to buy this service. As you can see, people keep coming back. Okay, for this seller, you can see how many orders in queue. That's a big number. Okay, So anyways, what you will do, you will copy his profile link, copy this seller profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, we will go back to this seller profile page. We will scroll down, we will click on his video.
Hi, are you looking for a professional logo design? Well, you are in the right place.
Looking good. Double click, save this video to your laptop. Okay, save video to your laptop. I'm gonna name it logo design, or I will name it logo. So what you will do next, you will go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you will do, you will click over here on video, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload, click on upload file, and upload your video. Okay, this is my video. Click on open, and your video will be uploaded to Canva like this. Click on your video will be over here. Okay, click on this 3 points, click on set the video as background. Okay, so what you will do next, click on text, click scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. I will use this one. Just click on the text style, and your text style will be over here. Okay, and decrease the font size of your text. Make your text here, double click, and write the sentence: check link in my description. Okay, check link in my description, like this. Make this text like this. Can you see? Okay, make it like this. Just make it looking good, and put this text here. Go to element. Okay, go to elements, click on shape, click on color, choose black color, and click on this shape, and put this shape here like this to make this text looking good. Okay, like this. Okay, after you finish, and that's it. Let's check.
Hi, are you looking for a professional logo design? Well, you are in the right place. My name is Nancy, and I'm a graphic designer based in India.
So this seller is good. He's providing his service. He can make logo for business, for clothing brand, for any business you want. Okay, so what you will do next, you will click on share, and you will click on download. This video will be downloaded to your laptop. You will go to your YouTube channel, create your YouTube channel. It's for free and it's super easy. You just need to use your email address. After you finish, upload this video to your YouTube channel, copy this title, how to create logo for your business, or how to create logo for business. It's just copy and paste. Okay, copy this title, use this title in your video, for your video. Go to your YouTube description and go back to Fiverr affiliate, to your Fiverr affiliate account. Copy your affiliate link from here or from here. Okay, and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. People who are searching for how to create logo for business, they will see your video on YouTube, for example, like this. They will see this, check link in my description. They will check your YouTube description. They will find your affiliate link. They will click on your affiliate link. They will be directly in this Fiverr seller profile page on Fiverr. They will click on continue, buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. This seller is top rated seller. He has good reviews. He is expert. He will make a professional logo for any business. Okay, any type of businesses you want. Okay, any type of businesses those people are searching for. Okay, so those people who are searching for how to create logo for business, they have money. They are ready to invest in this service. They don't know how to create logo for business. That's why they are searching for how to create logo for business on YouTube. So there will be a lot of people will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. And that's it. This is the method that I'm using. Upload video like this, check link in description, upload video to your YouTube channel, put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. If you don't know exactly how to do it, I will leave a link in my description below. You guys just need to check it step by step, showing you how you can upload this video to your YouTube channel, how you can put affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and always, like I said, stay consistent, use YouTube search for specific services that what people are searching for, promote those services on YouTube, and that's it. And you will make so much money just by using free traffic from YouTube. Okay, so see you in my next video.